Children, today we are going to perform an experiment in which we will observe all the dynamics, all the mechanics, all the explanations which we have learned in inclined plane that we are going to observe practically. So I am setting inclined plane's angle of inclination at 10 degree. You can see this is 360-degree mark and this is 10-degree mark. So my inclined plane is at inclination of 10 degrees, and now I'll put a weighing machine on the inclined plane and I will read weight of an object, and I will see whether the weighing machine is reading mg cos theta or not. Before placing the object on the inclined plane, first we will take the weight of the object when the weighing machine is at horizontal surface, and let us see the reading of the weighing machine. It's sensitive weighing machine and the reading is 1071 grams. You can see how sensitive this weighing machine is. 1071 gram when the weighing machine is at horizontal plane. Now we will place the whole arrangement on the inclined plane. So we have to record this value 1071 grams. Now I place the weighing machine on the inclined plane which has inclination of 10 degree, and then I will place the object at the same place where I placed it at the horizontal surface, and we will observe the reading. We have to place the weighing machine carefully so that no other forces are interfering in the observation, and now I can show you the object is properly placed on the weighing machine as it was at the horizontal surface, and the reading of the weighing machine is 1056 grams. So now we are moving to our paper and pen and we'll calculate the values theoretically, and then we will match it with the practical values. So weighing machine is calibrated in grams and it reads the mass, that is 1 in grams. And on the inclined plane, if an object is placed, then it does not exert force on the inclined plane equal to its weight, but it exerts force equal to mg cos theta. We just have to verify this result. So what we did, we first placed the object on the weighing machine when the weighing machine was placed on a horizontal surface. So when weighing machine was on a horizontal surface, we got the reading of weighing machine equal to 1071 grams, and we can easily understand that the block is exerting force on the weighing machine equal to 1071 gram, which is reacted by the weighing machine with the normal reaction force and not 1071 grams. So weighing machine is reading the reaction force of the surface. How we will confirm that this is reaction force only? So now we come to the inclined plane. When we place weighing machine over the inclined plane, if you also want to perform this experiment at home, you have to take care that weighing machine is placed on the plane properly and all its points are properly placed at the floor of the inclined plane, so that it is getting complete reaction force of the floor. So when we place the weighing machine over the inclined plane properly, such that all the the whole of the weighing machine is getting support from the surface of the inclined plane, then only we will be getting complete reaction force of the force exerted by the block on the weighing machine. So when we placed it properly, we found that weighing machine is reading, the reading of the weighing machine in this orientation is 105655 grams. 56 and 55 grams. The reading was changing between 56 and 55 grams. Right? Now we have to confirm whether the 1071 cos 10 is equal to 1056 or not. So now we are going to get the sine cos 10's value. So let us first find the value of cos 10, which is 0.98480. We will take the 5 decimal places of the value, and now we will calculate theoretical weight or theoretical reading which should be measured by the weighing machine. So if we multiply 1071, the value of the reading which the weighing machine was reading when the object was placed, when the weighing machine was placed at the horizontal surface, the reading of the weighing machine was 1071, and if we multiply it with the value of cos 10, then it is 1054.7, right? So mg cos 10 is equal to 1071 cos 10 gram force, that is 1054.7 gram force approximately. Now let us see the reading of weighing machine. This is theoretical or calculated value, calculated reading of weighing machine. This is calculated value of weighing machine 1054.7 gram force and observed value of weighing machine, reading of weighing machine, observed reading of weighing machine that is 1056 approximately this gram force. So within the allowed error limit, that is 10%, we can see that the calculated reading of weighing machine and observed reading of weighing machine is same. So it is observed that weighing machine reads the reaction force. Why? Because gravitational force is still 1071 gram force, but reaction force changes from the value 1071 gram, which is here. Here the reaction force is equal to mg, that is 1071 gram force. So reaction force changes from value 1071 gram force to the value 1054.7 gram force. So weighing machine also reads the same reading. That means weighing machine is not reading actually the gravitational force, but it is reading the normal reaction force which weighing machine exerts on the block, because block exerts the same force on the weighing machine, that is equal to normal reaction force. So now we can write in our practical copy this experiment. First you have to copy these diagrams on the left page of your practical copy. This diagram with the values. When weighing machine is horizontal, we will write here. When weighing machine is placed on the horizontal surface. And when weighing machine is placed on inclined plane, over inclined plane. Right? So you have to draw all the three diagrams in your practical copy to show the whole analysis. When weighing machine is placed over inclined plane, then these are the forces, and we expect that the weighing machine should read 1071 cos 10 degree gram force, right? And when weighing machine is placed on the horizontal surface, then we expect that weighing machine is reading the gravitational force as a whole 1071 gram force. But we have to check whether the weighing machine is reading the gravitational force or weighing machine reads the normal reaction force. So when we observe it on the inclined plane, we see that gravitational force is still there with the same value 1071 gram force, but normal reaction force changes from this value to this value. This value comes to be 1054.7 gram force. So in your observation heading, you will write first mg cos 10 degree is this value, and then you will mention that this is calculated reading of weighing machine. Then you will write the observed reading of weighing machine is 1056 gram force, and then you will write the result. So our result will be the observed value is approximately equal to calculated value within the limit of permissible error of 10%. So this observation proves that actually weighing machine gives value of normal reaction force, not the gravitational force, right? And object of this experiment will be, I am showing once again the whole content which you are supposed to write in your practical copy. The diagrams which you have to draw on the left page. Then on the right page you are supposed to write object, then observation, calculated value and the observed value, and then result. So you just have to write three headings: object, observation and result. You can pause the video and can note down all the diagrams and the readings. And now we come to the object. Object of the experiment is observing the working of weighing machine and finding the factors that affect its reading. And we can easily observe that if normal reaction force changes, the reading of weighing machine will change.